Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to content-aware fill in Affinity. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and select your image, and then here on the left hand panel I want you to select this icon, then come here and choose the inpainting brush tool. Go ahead and increase the size of your brush, and then I want you to just come here and drag on whatever you want to go ahead and inpaint. Let's say this one right here, we'll leave it on, and then as you can see it is doing the inpainting brush, and there you go, it's done that. Another method to do that is this. So you just go ahead and come here, you just select, right, you just go ahead and you can use the freehand selection tool, for example. So let's go ahead and make a selection of this as such, and then you just come here at the top, you go ahead and click on pixel, click on inpaint, and it would do the same process as well. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see right here, we should actually be done. There you go. That is how to content-aware fill in Affinity. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick. Thanks.